Porsche provides its own tool for removing the headlights. Open the back and lift up the cover panel. Underneath, you will find the tool to the right side of the spare tire, indicated by the red arrow. There are 2 access holes for the tool, one on each side, red arrows. You are going to be doing this blind, but you're going to be putting the tool through the panel until it sits in the opening in the release mechanism indicated by the red arrow. I have removed the panel so you can see the location of the release mechanism. Written right onto the panel is the direction to turn to loosen, red arrow, and tighten, blue arrow. Insert the tool and turn it the correct direction to loosen. You will only be turning it approximately 45 degrees. With the panel removed, this is what you will be doing. The headlight will move forward. It does not move a lot. This image shows how much you should expect to see it move, red arrow. Slide the assembly forward and press in on the clip and separate the connection, red arrow. These clips get extremely fragile and often break. With the electrical connection disconnected, you can take the assembly to your bench and place it down on a clean, soft surface. Installation is the reverse of removal. Always make sure the locking mechanism, red arrow, is in the down and forward position before installing the headlight. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.